Well, I already did the intake side, and I got plenty of clearance. Um, so I just did the exhaust side, piston to valve clearance. I clayed the piston, and I'm going to cut away here and show you how much clearance we have. Okay, here's the number 2 cylinder exhaust valve, and I did this with no head gasket just to present the worst case scenario. So I'll get a measurement, and then we'll cut away another section towards the middle. All right, on my first cut there, I had about 100, or I had about 200 thousandths clearance. The second cut right in the middle, I've got 170 thousandths. So we'll make one more cut, but it looks okay so far. Last cut here, I've even got more clearance. So yeah, we actually have plenty of exhaust valve to piston clearance. So I thought that I had chosen too large of a camshaft, but what actually happened is my exhaust valves stuck in the guides and held open too long and hit the pistons. Appears on 2 cylinders on the driver's side and 1 cylinder on the passenger side. So anyway, I've got a couple of bent valves. I'll be replacing those, and I guess this is what happens when you put new valves in an old head. I just had less clearance apparently with the brand new valves than I had with the used valves, so that was a mistake, and we'll get this all put back together, and I'll get you an update once it's running again. So thanks for watching. Later.